The spacecraft Voyager 1, which has been in orbit for decades, took off from our planet on an impossible task, continuing to travel beyond the limits we once thought insurmountable. It has traveled millions and millions of kilometers, crossing regions of space where no other spacecraft has gone before. Today, Voyager 1 has sent back information that defies everything we thought we knew. At the edge of our solar system, in an area known as the heliopause, Voyager 1 has recorded something scientists are calling an impossible discovery. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 had a clear mission to investigate the farthest planets of our solar system, collect data, and one day, perhaps, cross the invisible boundary that separates our solar system from interstellar space. After flying past Jupiter and Saturn, sending us unprecedented images and data, Voyager 1 continued its journey into the unknown void. In 2012, it became the first human-made object to officially leave the solar system, crossing the heliopause and entering interstellar space. Now, more than 47 years after its launch, Voyager 1 has surprised us again. It has detected something at the edge of our solar system, something scientists never imagined. The heliopause is the boundary that marks the end of our sun's influence. Beyond this barrier, the solar wind vanishes and the interstellar medium takes over. But what does it really mean to cross this boundary? What awaits on the other side? The heliopause, a shielding bubble created by the sun's solar wind, protects us from many dangerous particles emanating from the galaxy. By crossing the heliopause, Voyager 1 has been exposed to phenomena we have never studied so closely, phenomena that today seem to defy our laws of physics. Recent data from Voyager 1 has puzzled scientists. They have detected fluctuations in the magnetic field, a kind of vibration in interstellar space that, until now, had no explanation. This is surprising because, in theory, the magnetic field in that region should be almost constant. These recent changes suggest unknown activity at the edge of the heliopause, something we had no way of detecting until now. Scientists believe it could be an unknown wipe of energy or even an indication of forces in deep space beyond our current understanding. What is really taking place at the outermost edge of our solar system? Some scientists believe these fluctuations in the magnetic field could be a form of energy. We have never recorded a type of echo from the deep universe. But the theories get even more confounding. Could something external be interacting directly with our solar system? We are faced with the possibility that these magnetic vibrations are responses to phenomena outside the solar system, as if the very edge of the heliosphere is reacting to a push from outer space. The signals are weak but recurring, showing patterns we have not observed before. Another fascinating hypothesis suggests that the heliopause could be squeezed by some kind of energy stream from the Milky Way or even beyond. This current could be caused by stellar winds from nearby stars or perhaps by a much more distant and unexplained phenomenon. If this is true, we might not only learn about a new physical interaction but also discover that the solar system is connected to other parts of the galaxy through these currents. For some scientists, this phenomenon is more than just a finding. It is a profound reminder of how little we know. Voyager 1 may be discovering an energy grid or something similar at the edge of our solar system. If these energy streams exist, we are seeing, for the first time, how the solar system connects to the galaxy on a scale we had not anticipated. This could radically change our understanding of energy in the universe. Imagine that these energy currents create invisible bridges between stars and solar systems, making communication possible between different points in the galaxy. If this is true, we could be nearing the discovery of a fundamental structure of the universe, one that stretches across space and connects the entire galaxy in a cosmic web. The Voyager 1 mission has been, without a doubt, a journey of no return into the unknown. With every signal it sends back, it reminds us of how little we know about the limits of our own system. Although its instruments were designed in the 1970s, their value to space exploration has far surpassed all expectations. Voyager 1's technology is antiquated compared to what we have today, but it remains our best tool at the frontier of the solar system. It is recording events we had not anticipated when it first launched, and it remains our only witness in that distant region. Despite being more than 23 billion kilometers away from us, Voyager 1 continues to send back priceless data. Every signal we receive is like a distant call from a cosmic frontier. The findings of Voyager 1 inspire us to continue to explore in order to build spacecraft capable of extending their capabilities and comprehending the universe's secrets. Humanity will advance, as Voyager demonstrates, preparing to take the next step in interstellar research. With each piece of data Voyager 1 sends back, we get closer and closer to the moment when humans, too, can cross that frontier. Maybe someday we'll make it across the heliopause, figuring out what really is beyond the solar system's outer limits. And a comment from Elon is not to be missed. Musk, one of the most influential visionaries in the space field technology, has closely followed the advancements made by Voyager 1 and its discoveries. According to his own words, Discovery represents a wake-up call for humanity. Musk has expressed that this Voyager data could accelerate our efforts to develop interstellar spacecraft that can get past the current space technology's limitations. Elon Musk's plans for SpaceX have always had his sights set on deep space. Not only do these discoveries motivate him, but they motivate him to develop new techniques for traveling further. Could this data supplied by Voyager 1 be the spark that ignites a new era of interstellar exploration? According to Musk, the recent discovery proves that the universe is full of mysteries yet to be unraveled and that we're just prepared to explore them. We cannot rule out the possibility of unknown life forms or biological phenomena interacting with solar system structures in a way we do not yet understand. Although it may all sound like science fiction, every discovery brings our comprehension one step closer to whether we are really alone in the universe or not. Every bit of information, each and every signal that Voyager 1 sends from so far away is one more piece in the puzzle. This data might be used in the future to help us discover signs of life in interstellar space. Voyager 1 has crossed boundaries that no other artificial object has ever reached. It has taught us how vast and mysterious the universe is, in fact. Even though its journey has its days numbered, the questions it raises will continue to connect with science and our hearts. We live on a small planet on the edge of an infinite galaxy. Right now, Voyager 1 has revealed that there are forces beyond our comprehension. What else is in store for us outside? It reminds us that the exploration never ends and that the next great discovery is always just waiting there beyond. If you want to continue exploring the cosmos with us, subscribe and turn on the little bell. More impossible discoveries await us, and we want you to be a part of them. I'm so grateful for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. As we look forward, the implications of the findings of Voyager 1 stretch far beyond science. They tap into the core of human curiosity. For thousands of years, we have looked up at the stars and wondered what lies beyond. Now, thanks to a spacecraft launched nearly half a century ago, we are beginning to receive responses we weren't even sure were possible. The story of Voyager 1 is not just a tale of technology or scientific data. It's a story about our perseverance, our vision, and endless pursuit of knowledge. Each time this small object sends a signal, a messenger floating in the interstellar void, it reminds us of something profound, that research is a component of who we are. And yet, Voyager 1 is only the initial phase. What this spacecraft has taught us could pave the way for the next generation of interstellar missions that may not take years before reaching the heliopause, but only years. With advancements in propulsion, intelligent machines, and next-generation miniaturized instrumentation, it's possible that Voyager's successors are smarter, faster, and even more prepared to decode the secrets of deep space. Space agencies around the world, from NASA to ESA, from SpaceX to emerging companies in China, India, and beyond, are now looking at what lies beyond our own star. There's growing interest in the idea of interstellar probes that will not just pass through the heliopause, but intentionally study the interstellar medium for decades to come. The discoveries made by Voyager 1 have already reshaped how we view the borders of our solar system. It's no longer merely a bubble of planets orbiting a star. It's a living, breathing region of space influenced by forces both known and unknown. It's a place where the rules we thought were universal begin to flex, change, and astonish us. Imagine what we'll find out when future spacecraft are designed specifically to stay in interstellar space, powered perhaps by nuclear fusion or even light sails that catch the beams from Earth-based lasers. These craft could visit nearby star systems one day. Alpha Centauri, Proxima b bringing us closer than ever to answering humanity's most intriguing query, are we alone? And it's not just about science. It's about legacy. Voyager 1 comes with a golden record, a time capsule of Earth's sounds, languages, and music. If intelligent life ever finds it, they will be greeted in 55 different languages, the laughter of a child, and the rhythms of our planet. Voyager is humanity's message in a bottle traveling across the cosmic ocean. So, what comes next? We build on the Voyager legacy. We urge further. We invest in the technology that will enable us to travel to additional stars, not just in data, but in person. And we continue to listen to Voyager, to the cosmos, to the unknown, because one thing is certain: the universe is speaking. Additionally, Voyager 1 has enabled us to begin to understand the language.